You know, it'd be crazy if you actually caught a 10-pounder, like right then.
Yes, sir.
And it's a good one. How about that? And I got that on camera. What's up, guys? Austin here. So, tournament number 2. I wasn't able to get any video of the first tournament that I had last month, but here on George's Lake in Florhome, Florida, and it's not a lake that I did very good at last year. I only managed to catch one fish, but the fish itself didn't count, even though it would have won big bass because of a simple error when I was measuring the fish. But I'm hoping to do a lot better this morning. It's a little chilly. It's in the 50s right now, but it's supposed to warm up pretty good today, and hopefully those fish will come up, and hopefully I can get a few good bites. All right.
Bad thing is, everybody else is putting in over there too.
I have no idea where I'm going to go today.
Last time, also, me and you went to the right.
I know, and there's like that.
I've not been on this lake since last term.
Me neither. I was thinking about coming out yesterday, but you know, I don't get many days off, so my big ass slept in, and then
I'll tell you.
so,
It was nice out here.
so I slept in and went and got me some food. So and now I went to the weigh-in. I bought me this hat. AFCO, baby. I just really needed a hat. You know, I got that fade. I don't want the back of my head to burn.
I was thinking that.
All right, guys. Tournament number 2, George's Lake. I'm not. Oh, what a good way to start. Backlash. Off to an auspicious start. Hopefully that doesn't last throughout the whole day, because that would suck. I just had my brakes set way too loose. There we go. Not bad. I don't really have a solid game plan this morning. Just trying to fish around some of this brush and grass and using a crawl here first and kind of just hopping it along the bottom. What? I don't really know the water temperature, the depth right here. The water's pretty tannic. The sun's not out, so I really can't see right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, first one of the day. Hopefully he measures. Hopefully. He is a keeper. There we go. Oh, fighting good too. I got a good hook set on him. All right. Number 2, baby, number 2. That's what I'm talking about. Number 2. Nice to meet you, number 2. Again, not a very big one, but I will take it, especially this early in the morning. He is feisty, boy. All right. I knew I felt that bump. Knew I felt it. All right, guys. This looks like he might be a keeper. Come on, man. There we go. All right. Well, he might be there. All right, guys. So, for y'all that are not accustomed to knowing how kayak tournaments work, obviously in a kayak you do not have a live well. So, you go by a system of inches. So, it's not like the Bassmasters where a long skinny fish will hurt you, because that's definitely not the case. So, what you do is you have, oh, this might be just 12 inches. They have to be 12 for us to be able to count them. But you have the fish and you put it down on your board, and you have a bracelet that's an identifying mark. So, for instance, mine has the date and my name and my identifying number for this tournament. You put your hand across fish like that, make sure the mouth is closed, the tail is on there, and then you take a picture. Make sure you take a couple. Just so you're good, because you probably heard us talk. Last year I caught a fish and my bracelet wasn't all the way in the picture, so unfortunately, later guy. Unfortunately, they did not count it for that tournament, and that would have won. And that was on this lake, and that would have won me big bass. Again, for that tournament. So I'm being really cautious this year, and trying to make sure that I don't have any screw ups. All right, guys, 3 fish. 3 fish. Got another one. Got another one. That might go too. All right. That's what I'm talking about. I didn't have a good hook set on him either. Oh, this one has a minnow in its mouth. Check it out. This one might. This one might go too. Oh yeah, this one will go. All right, close your mouth. All right, close your mouth. You'll settle down in a minute. All right, close your mouth. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. I promise I'll put you back. Close your mouth, dude. Close your mouth. No, close your mouth. All right. Put your tail down. Put your tail down. There we go. This might be number 5. Maybe. Maybe. We will see. It looks a little small. Looks a little small. Yep. 11 and a half. Not gonna make it. But still a pretty fish. Thank you, bud. That's alright. I need to get some stuff out of here anyways. Alright guys, I had turned off my camera to conserve some memory space, as I forgot to take some stuff off my memory card last night. But I caught this. This will give me a limit. He's right at 12 inches, so now I can try and figure out how to catch some bigger ones. And let this one go back. Alright guys, I just caught another one. That will cull my smallish fish, which was right at 12 inches. I think this one was 12 and a half. So we are still doing pretty good.
Yes, he is.
You know, it'd be crazy if you actually caught a 10-pounder, like right then.
Yes, sir.
And it's a good one. How about that? And I got that on camera. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Good job, Levi. Good job.
All I saw was the little trail coming behind.
Good job. Hey, it's crazy because I got that on camera. Baby. Him's a baby. Is it a 10-pounder? Ah. That's what's up. Alright, come on now. Come on. Alright. Calm your ass down. I know this one ain't 12. Look at this little guy. Look at this little baby fish. It ain't gonna cull. Nah. It ain't gonna cull. Nice fish though. Appreciate it, buddy. You said I'm cheating.
Huh?
You said I'm cheating. How am I cheating? I'm in one with the lake, man. You like that, don't you?
I get bored doing that. I gotta have something to aim my cast at.
I am aiming my cast.
I know, but I mean like throwing at the open water.
I saw a boil next to you, so just right where I just casted. I caught another one. My little guy. Who's your little guy? Wow. And this one. Yeah. Not quite. It's probably 13 and a half or so. Ah, it pissed on me.
Under the dock, or that was another open water?
Another open water. Let's see what it'll do. It's having a seizure. A seizure.
Smell like.
12 3/4.
Cold?
Yeah, it'll coal one of mine, I think. Hold on.
I'm gonna be like, I need $10 for him.
Alright, guys. I have decided to turn around and kind of hit where I first started. But the sun's out now, it's getting pretty warm, so I'm deciding to fish a little bit shallower using the speed worm. But this is probably the first bite that I've had in, I would say, probably 2 hours, and it's not near good enough to cull anything. But I'm gonna keep trying. Like I said, I got 2 hours left of the tournament. I'll try my hardest to at least get a decent fish. Good old wacky. Well, still not a big one, not good enough to cull, but first bite on the wacky worm. Unfortunately, this is not going to help me either. Well, guys, it's 2:30. I got a limit, so I feel good about that. You know, I'll definitely be in the top 10 as far as points and whatnot goes. I was kind of hoping that I could, get some bigger fish and cull out. I mean, I culled a few, just not what I was expecting, but according to everybody else, there was a lot of little ones caught today. But let me go ahead, and I got a good little paddle over to the boat ramp, and hopefully we should be doing weigh-in. With that body, you deserve to be on camera.
I think you should blur the titties out, bro.
You just jealous. I got an 8 cup.
What's the brand of those
Show them that thing.
I sent the link.
16th with 12.5 inches, Brian Daly.
Woo!
And 15th with 12 3/4, Gregory Hunter.
Woo!
Got one.
And 14th with 13 inches, LaRon.
Where you at, though? Oh, woo!
And 13th with 25 inches, Haley.
Woo!
And 12th with 40 1/4,
Oh,
Antonio.
woo!
And 11th with 49 1/2, Taylor.
Woo! There he is.
Good job, Taylor.
Good job, Taylor.
And 10th with 53 inches is Richard.
Woo!
And 9th with 62 1/2 is Jet Island.
Woo!
In 8th with 64 3/4, Jeremy.
Woo!
In 7th place with 66 1/2 inches, Glenn.
Woo!
That's on that banana.
6th place with 68 1/4, yours truly.
Woo!
In 5th place with 69 inches, Caleb.
Woo!
In 4th place with 70 3/4 and receiving $44 is Austin.
Yay!
Nice, dude. Yeah.
There you are. Good job.
All right.
Goes to the baby.
Yeah. Ooh, sorry, one.
In 3rd place with 71 inches is Scott.
Yeah.
68. Good job.
Ooh.
In 2nd place with 72 1/2 inches, Levi.
Oh, man.
Oh my god.
In 1st place with 73 inches, getting $311 is Timothy.
Nice.
Good job.
Appreciate it.
And let me see.
Half inch, Danny.
Wow.
That's the story of my tournament.
He's talking about a smile.
What's up, guys? So I'm coming to you from my vehicle. I had to get out of there pretty quick. There's only one boat ramp, and there's like 25 of us kayakers plus all the boats and whatnot. But had a good day. I caught a lot of fish today. Came in fourth. Essentially, I won my money back. So I mean, that's always a good thing. Had a lot of fun. The top 5 spots were really close. A lot of dinks today, but everybody had a blast. My next tournament is next month, and I'll definitely have some videos before then. Well, hopefully I'll have some videos before then. I'm actually going on vacation next week, and I should be having a really awesome video from that, going down to the Kissimmee chain of lakes, Lake Toho, to go fish. That's a opportunity of a lifetime for me. I've never been there. I've always wanted to go there, so that should be really fun. But I'm gonna go home, get relaxed, have fun the rest of my weekend. Y'all take care.